Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to ask you guys if you think this could be the end of Lyft. Before we get started in the video, of course, I wanted to tell you guys about this amazing banking app. It's called Current. We have a link down below in the description, but if you sign up and you get one of their debit cards, every time you use their card to pay for gas, you can actually get cash back. And with these insane gas prices right now, this is definitely something you want to check out. So again, we have a sign up link in the description down below, and let's get started into the video. So we all know that Uber, Lyft, all these rideshare and gig apps are really going downhill right now because gas prices are insane. So many people are quitting. We've made videos already about a bunch of Lyft drivers quitting, a bunch of Uber drivers quitting, and now I have just found this article from Stock News talking about how Lyft's hiring slowdowns is actually affecting their stock pretty drastically. Lyft's stock, which is a NASDAQ stock by the way, has had a lot of issues. They really haven't found their footing yet, and you'd think that they would have a lot of investors because of how successful Lyft as a company has become. But in the stock game, they really are not doing well right now. Basically, Lyft needs to find a way to dramatically increase their ride volume, which is definitely not going to be an easy task. And this article is actually suggesting that investors stay away from Lyft until they're able to really set their foot down and, create a stable stock for people to invest in. So in the past year, Lyft's stock has actually dropped from $60 to $15, which is terrible. If you know anything about stocks, even if you don't know about stocks, I'm sure you can already tell that that's like pretty bad. So it's no wonder that people don't want to invest in Lyft stocks right now, because this is just, it's way too risky. You don't know if it's going to keep going down. Maybe it'll go up if they're able to actually do something about it. But for right now, I would not recommend investing in Lyft stocks. So Lyft actually put a halt on their hiring. They have lowered their hiring rates completely just because of everything that's going on with the, inflation and so many people just being unhappy being in the rideshare business, and the rideshare economy has gone completely downhill recently. And also, not only are they slowing down their hiring, but not many people are even signing up for Lyft in the first place. I'm guessing it's probably the same for Uber as well. We have plenty of videos already on how much Uber has been affected by this whole recession and how much Lyft has been affected. Just looking at the stocks, you can literally see on the graph right in front of you that Lyft is really going downhill. So do you think this is the end of Lyft? Do you think they're able to make a comeback? Let me know in the comments down below what you think they should do to be able to raise their stocks, if you know anything about stocks. I would just love to hear your guys' opinion. Also, if you want to see more videos from us, be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.